Hi, this is Shahul from Pantech Pro Labs. Today we are going to see demo on 3-phase induction motor speed control using FPGA kit. In this demo we have a Spartan 6 FPGA project kit with us. Then we have a driver board with a isolator and amplifier on it. Then we have a H-bridge 3-phase inverter board. Then we have a induction motor, and then we have two transformer for providing supply to driver boards. So let's see its functionality. We have six PWM pulses generated through Spartan 6 FPGA board. We have connected it to I/O lines. These six PWM pulses are phase A top and phase B top, phase A top, phase A bottom, then similarly phase B top, phase B bottom, then we have phase C top and phase C bottom. So these six PWM pulses are connected to driver board. This driver board consists of six ICs which will be used for isolate and amplify part. So these 3.3 volt IO PWM pulse will be converted to 12 volt PWM pulse, which will be connected back to H-bridge MOSFET devices. So we have six H-bridge device, MOSFET device. Each of these pulse is connected to, that is phase A top is connected to this device 1, and then phase B to device, phase A bottom to device 2, then phase B top to device 3, 4, similarly phase C top, phase C bottom. So these isolator and driver module is input with a 12 volt transformer. Then this H-bridge module is input with 100 volt transformer. So its output is nothing but three phases, that is phase A, phase B, phase C, which will be straight away connected to induction motor input. So once the motor starts rotating, we will start receiving that feedback through proximity sensor. We have interface to over here. This proximity sensor data is feedback and directly connected to this pin, that FPGA I/O line, so which can be used to measure the RPM and display it on LCD. So this is in this demo we will use the increment and decrement push button to increase and decrease the frequency of this three-phase sine wave. So let's see the demo. We started the motor. You can see that motor start rotating. So at initial rotation, you can see that motor is rotating at high speed. I will reduce the motor speed. You can see that motor starts decreasing. Now the motor is running at 280 RPM. So when that is 10 heads, it is rotating at 280 RPM. You can see that RPM is displaying on the LCD monitor. To increase its RPM value, we have to press the increment button. Whenever I press increment button, you can see that motor speed start increasing. You can see that it is running at 740, 840 RPM, 910, 1000 RPM, then 1050, so 1240, 250, 1300, keep on increasing until it reaches the maximum RPM range. So it is running at 1490 RPM, which is somewhat like around 1500 RPM this motor is running. So which can be easily controlled using that FPGA setup. So we can increase or decrease the induction motor speed using the Spartan 6 FPGA kit. Thank you.